Oh my god. Oh my god. That was insane. Oh my god. Oh my days. Look at the mess I made. I don't know if that was an explosion or if just I was choking on it or something. I'll try it one more time. I'm going to try to relax and see if it's choking me or if it's actually exploding. I'm curious to see if it explodes. Let's do this. I am completely soaked in Coca-Cola. That was not fun. It wasn't that bad, but it also wasn't fun. But I'm definitely never doing that again. Oh my god. Now I gotta clean up all this mess. God damn it, man.